Okay, welcome back, class, to video number 2 on section 8.3. Let's check out this picture, photosynthesis and overview. Check it out with me. Here we've got H2O coming into the chloroplast. We have CO2 coming into the chloroplast. And we have light coming into the chloroplast. Inside the thylakoid membranes, those pancake stacked up structures, you have something called the light-dependent reactions. And over here in the stroma, which is the soup of the chloroplast, you have something called the Calvin cycle. We'll learn about the Calvin cycle in just a minute. But basically, it looks like the Calvin cycle takes CO2 and turns it into sugars. And it looks like light and H2O get together to make ATP and NADPH, and in the process releasing oxygen gas. Huh. Wait a minute, wasn't ATP, wasn't that an energy transfer molecule? Wow, that makes sense because CO2 is a low energy molecule. ATP comes into the Calvin cycle, bazam, and adds energy and sugars come out. Amazing. Let's read about it more. Moving on down the line, electron carriers. All right. When sunlight excites electrons in chlorophyll, the electrons gain a great deal of energy. These high-energy electrons require a special carrier. Think of a high-energy electron as being similar to a red-hot coal from a fireplace or a campfire. If you want to move the coal from one place to another, you don't pick it up with your hands. You would use a pan or a bucket, a carrier, to transport it. Cells treat high-energy electrons in the same way. Instead of a pan or bucket, they use electron carriers to transport high-energy electrons from chlorophyll to other molecules, as shown in figure 8-8. A carrier molecule is a compound that can accept a pair of high-energy electrons and transfer them along most of their energy to another molecule. This process is called electron transport, and the electron carriers themselves are known as the electron transport chain. Student, what is the electron transport chain? A group of molecules that carries high-energy electrons from the chlorophyll to other molecules. And it kind of looks like this. Hot coals in pan, pan takes hot coals somewhere else. Okay. One of these carrier molecules is a compound known as NADPH. All right, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Woo, big word. The name is complicated, but the job at NADP+ has is simple. NADP+ accepts 2 and holds 2 high-energy electrons along with a hydrogen ion. This converts NADP+ into NADPH. The conversion of NAD+ into NADPH is one way in which some of the energy of sunlight can be trapped in chemical form. All right, wait a minute, that makes sense. Check it out. Okay, so you have NADP+. Remember, it's an electron carrier. It comes into the thylakoid membranes. Bwazam! Light comes in, and all of a sudden NADP+ picks up a hydrogen and 2 high-energy electrons. How many electrons does NADP+ carry? Good quiz question. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Very cool. Wait a minute. Where did that hydrogen come from? H2O. Wait a minute, Mr. Worley. It's all making sense. Oh, my goodness. Wait. H2O minus hydrogen. Well, that must leave us an oxygen. Do it twice and you get oxygen gas. Oh yeah, oxygen gas is made from H2O. Uses light to break it up. Man, awesome. Okay, moving right along. Starting to see it. The NADPH can then carry the high energy electrons produced by the light absorption in chlorophyll to chemical reactions elsewhere in the cell. These high energy electrons are used to help build a variety of molecules that the cell needs, including carbohydrates, like glucose. All right. Well, class, that's good. Let's move on to the next page, 210. Please also move on to the next video. Thank you very much.